There are exciting new announcements for products that you'll be able to get your hands on no later than 2022, thanks to the rise of AI. Take a look at some of the most cutting-edge technology that will be available in 2022. While it's still not too late to start saving for it, because it won't be cheap. Stay tuned till the end of the video to learn everything there is to know about them. Number 10. C-Seed M1 Unfolding TV. If you're torn between wanting a large TV and saving room in your home, the C-Seed M1 is the must-have smart home device for you. It's a TV that unfolds like an envelope and folds back to hide beneath the floor, all at the touch of a button. The C-Seed M1 also has 4K micro LED technology, which assures rich color and great contrasts, and adaptive gap calibration, or AGC, which makes the borders between the screen's folding wings virtually invisible. Well, who knew that those TVs were once as heavy as an elephant and as huge as a box could get, so sleek and slim that you could literally fold them? Number 9. Xiaomi My Air Remote Wireless Charger. Are you ready to say goodbye to wired chargers? Xiaomi debuts My Air Charger technology, which allows you to charge your devices without plugging them in. Xiaomi My Air Charge is a wireless charging station that can be placed anywhere within your apartment to charge your devices within a few minutes. The charging station is portable and can charge numerous devices at the same time. Number 8. The world's smartest face mask, Project Hazel. We don't have anything to credit the pandemic for. However, if it weren't for COVID-19, a few innovative inventions might not have made it to market. The following technological advancements are planned for 2022. COVID-19 smart security is now a reality. Razer has created an intelligent mask with reusable filters and RGB-friendly changeable light rings around the ventilation, giving the mask a futuristic look. The mask has a built-in microphone and speaker system, as well as a wireless charging container with an ultraviolet sterilizing system. Well, after all, maybe COVID did make some of us productive. Number 7. Arlo Touchless Video Doorbell. The most significant disadvantage of any smart doorbell system is that it requires visitors to activate it by pressing the button. The Arlo Touchless Video Doorbell eliminates the need to press the button by using motion and proximity detection technology. The doorbell chimes when someone approaches a particular distance from it, and the light indicates to the visitor that the doorbell has been activated. Number 6. Smart Tire. Upgrade your bike's tires to get it ready for a trip to Mars. A smart bike tire has been developed by the smart business that would never run flat. The tire is a greener alternative to traditional tires. It makes use of Nitinol Plus, a new lightweight substance that helps you keep the tire form without ever running flat. Number 5. KF Console. If you spend a lot of time playing video games, you know that no matter how hungry you are, it's never the proper time to have a snack, much less a complete meal. KF Console is here to help you with that issue. It's a bucket-shaped video game console that doubles as a PC with high-end components and can also warm your chicken wings. Number 4. 7.1 channel USB external audio adapter. Are you tired of attempting to wrap your cords around the back of your computer in search of audio ports? Or is your audio port broken? That difficulty can be rectified with this portable external USB audio adapter, so don't be concerned. Simply plug this into your laptop or desktop's USB port, and your audio ports are ready to connect headphones or a microphone to listen to and audio content. That's a cheap, cool item to have because most people don't have working audio ports and don't want to spend money on expensive sound cards. Number 3. Portable projectors. It's freezing outside, but you're inside watching movies and TV in large screen format while sipping hot chocolate from your smart mug and inhaling clean air. It doesn't get any more techie than that. Portable projectors come with built-in Bluetooth speakers, are lightweight, sleek, and tiny, and provide excellent image quality for any form of material. from movies to games. They're also long-lasting, using very little energy, and are simple to transfer from room to room. You can also take them outside if the weather isn't quite so chilly for an exterior viewing session if you want to. Portable projectors fill the gap between expensive and fixed-position home movie projectors and smaller and inflexible flat-screen TVs. They provide you with the large screen format you desire without the need for cords, mounting hassles, or power usage. Advanced portable projectors offer a lot of technology in a smart package and are well worth your consideration. You don't even need a screen. All you need is a blank wall. Number 2. Sanitizer and wireless charger. For decades or more, ultraviolet light has been utilized to disinfect items on a large scale. We now have smaller UV sanitation chambers the size of a small cable box or modem that open up so you can place your phone or any other gadget that will fit inside thanks to technological advancements. This comprises, among other things, smartwatches, earbuds, and numerous cards. Once your item is inside, you close the hatch and press the start button, and the sanitizer kills up to 99.9% of all bacteria on your phone or other object. In this day and age, this is quite useful. Even better, experts working in this popular gadget area have found out how to produce hand sanitizers that also function as wireless chargers. So you clean your phone in the UV chamber, then store it in there till it's completely charged. This is, once again, significant improvement. Number 1. Sonos Beam, Generation 2. We've transformed the way we watch movies. Due to the pandemic, Hollywood studios were forced to reassess their release dates, and nowadays, a big budget film is just as likely to launch on a streaming service as it is in a theater. That means you'll need to upgrade your home entertainment setup in order to experience movies the way the director intended, while scrolling on your phone, pausing every 15 minutes to find out where you know that actor from. To that end, Sonos Beam home cinema speakers next generation model will deliver panoramic sound with Dolby Atmos 3D effect in a sleek and unobtrusive chassis. Oscar-winning sound engineers have fine-tuned everything, and a dedicated app allows you to tailor the machine to your preferences, as well as hook up to other Sonos devices and play music. That's a wrap for the 10 cool gadgets you should be buying in 2022. Which of these gadgets are on your list, or you have your eyes on it already? Do you think these gadgets are truly worth the price? Do you have more gadgets in your sights? Let us know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.